Hey guys, so life update. Nag-restock na ako ng mga makeup ko. A few products here that I'd like to share with you. Anyways, may promo sila na kapag umabot ka ng 3K, pwede ka magpa-engrave ng name nyo. So, ayan, pina-engrave ko yung name ko here. Nakalagay Jalately. As well as here, so Get Ready With Me, Jalately. This one too, Jalately. This one, Jalately. This one too, Jalately. And then, ito lang yung wala. Kasi sa mismong shop ko to binili. And in the shade 02 Gray Brown. I-share ko sa inyo yung mga products na favorite ko talaga. This one, I've been using this since 2018. Yung shade ko dito dati is Ivory Glow. Ngayon, Creamy Glow kasi mas nag-darken yung skin ko. I got this. I wanted to try this tinted sunscreen stick from BLK. Actually, tinry ko siya kanina. Ang ganda ng lapit niya sa skin ko and madali lang siya i-blend. Papakita ko sa inyo sa another video. So, watch out for my upcoming Get Ready With Me video. And then this one, meron akong BLK na ginagamit kaso wala na siya. Like, na-phased out na siya because I've been using that for like 3 years. Siguro 2022 pa yon or 2023 ko pa nabili. Tapos na-phased out na yung product na yun. Yung palette kasi yun na 3-in-1. Nung nakita ko to, parang sabi ko, ay, kailangan ko to kasi 6-in-1 na siya. So, ito yung itsura niya. This is from Careline. And meron na siyang pang contour, bronzer, highlights, and then 3 blush. The good part is, mas malaki yung mirror niya. I like the design. Here, their One Piece collection. And ito lang yung nagustuhan ko sa collection nila because ito lang din yung kailangan ko talaga. Na-engrave ko dito yung name ko. Ayan. I also got the new Dazzle Me. Ano to patok to ngayon sa TikTok. And then, tinry ko siya kanina. Para siyang primer and pang oil control. Ito yung itsura niya. Pag oily ka na, pwede mo lang siya i-dab-dab-dab. Also comes with a sponge na may ganito, which is good. So, pwede mo siya ganyan. And then, dab-dab-dab-dab-dab. Ready With Me na full coverage in the shade Almond. Kailangan ko kasi kumuha ng mas darker shade. Yung ginagamit ko was Custard. Ayun, hindi ko na siya ka-shade. So, kailangan ko siyang kung bumili ng gantong shade. Kasi nag-gray na yung face ko kapag ka nagme-makeup and it's either sobrang puti or what. Also got this skin tint from Get Ready With Me. Na-engrave ko din siya here. Ang shade niya is Almond din. This is my all-time favorite na baking powder from Nichido. And I'm in the shade Creamy Glow. And ito pala, yung BLK Tinted Sunscreen. Yung shade na gamit ko is Vanilla. So, yeah. Yun lang. Bye!